Okay, this is the insurance reg agent, a context-aware policy advisor built with LangGraph, FastAPI, and ChromaDB. You can see the features here. We have a smart routing, RAG pipeline, LangGraph orchestration, streaming UI, and also we have streaming API, which is built using FastAPI. And we are using local embedding using FastEmbed. Here you can see the tech stack. We have the system design, how it will go through different node, and then we have the repository architecture, and this is how we can use it. So it uses a local vector store to retrieve synthetic policy documents and orchestrate reasoning to answer complex insurance queries accurately. So let's see how it works. We will spin it up. So spinning it up is very simple. You can see the README documentation, and we can go through it, and you can check here that how to set up it. So it's pretty simple. You can also run it using Docker as well. Let me run it. So we have a backend and front end. So let me spinning up the backend first. So it's actually using the fast API using UVcorn, and let's see with the front end. Okay, so it's running. So yeah, it's loading. So this is our UI for this project, and as you can see that it has night mode, and we have also light theme. Let's see in light theme, and this is the chainlit for the front end interface to visualize the agent's chain of thoughts in real time. So here is the agents. Let's start with basic greetings like hi. Okay, it's coming the answers from our chatbots that hello, I am here to help with all your insurance question. How can I assist you today? So let me first I will ask a standard definition question like what is what is like term life policy. So we have in vector store we have these documents embedded. So let me ask what is the term life insurance? What is the term life insurance? So let's see. So as you can see, so yeah, another thing is we are using the Grok's model, uh, XAI Grok model. You can switch it to OpenAI and anything others. As you can see, it is using different documents search. It is using the embedding RAG. It is getting these documents from policy documents, and also it check the whatever it is relevant or not. And then we are coming, answer is coming. The term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period known as the term. If the insurance dies during this term, so you know it, right? So now let's see the if it has the ability to compare the documents. It pull context from both the term and the whole life, uh, whole life files we have to generate a side by side comparison. Let me ask what is the difference between term and whole life insurance? What is the difference between term and whole life insurance? So it, as you can see, it's doing the RAG at the back end. We can also check the, in our terminal, we can check the back end, what it's going on. It's going through different node, as you can see. It's going through the vector store. It's checking the relevance, and then it's coming with the answers. So the route for the LangGraph agents we can see here, and at the front end it's running, like it's showing the it's running. So let me go again there. So I think I am in wrong place. Let me check. Yeah, here. So what is the difference between term and whole life insurance? As you can see, it's referring two documents, term life policy and whole life policy. So it's getting the context from two different documents from our vector database. Now we can search something like, not search, let me ask for advice, like which one is better. Better, let's give a condition. If I just want to my cover my kids until they finished college. So let's see. So it's again checking the docs, used retrieving policy docs, checking relevance. So yeah, you can see the for temporary coverage until your kids finished college, term life insurance is better. So it's doing its job. Okay, let's check another example. Okay, mm, I go skydiving on this weekend. Does that does the standard term policy cover that? Let's see. So as you can see, it's an S case. If it can give it a better result, let's see. So yeah, it's giving the right answer. See, no, the standard term life insurance policy does not cover death results from skydiving. So yeah, it's a S case and it identifies skydiving as a hazardous activities and correctly inform me that I need a rider. That's the power of a modular rack system using LangGraph. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and it's here in this repo. You can run in your local machine, so it's pretty easy. You can use, I used XAI's Grok model. You can use OpenAI or any local LLM as well, hosted self-hosted LLM. So yeah, that's it. So thank you.